We'll guide you through how to make stick figure in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want a simple way to learn basic drawing in Adobe Illustrator. It also helps users quickly create simple characters, practice digital illustration skills, and build confidence before moving on to more complex designs. Open your Adobe Illustrator to begin the process. Once the application is running, find the File option on the top menu bar and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose New to start a new workspace. A setup window will appear, allowing you to configure your document. Select your preset size from the available stock options, then click Create to open your blank canvas. Next, go to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and change your current tool to the brush tool so you can begin drawing. After selecting the brush, move to the right panel where brush settings are displayed and adjust your brush by selecting the 10 points round option as your base style. To make your lines more visible, increase your brush thickness by adjusting the stroke amount. Continue modifying the stroke until it matches your desired stickman figure size. To start drawing, hold your left mouse button and drag your brush across the workspace. Begin drawing the stickman figure part by part rather than all at once. Try to use 2 strokes for each body section to keep the structure flexible. For example, draw the first stroke for the upper body, then connect it by drawing the lower body as a second stroke. Continue by drawing the thigh, followed by the leg in a similar 2-step approach. This method will help you better adjust your stickman figure's pose as you go. Once the main body is complete, increase the stroke amount again to prepare for drawing the head. Make sure to set the stroke size to a proportional value so the head matches the body. Then, left-click on the position where you want the head to appear to create it. At this point, your stickman figure is done. To improve your skills, try drawing another pose by repeating the same steps from the beginning. You can also use different stroke sizes to create another model with variation.